I sold both PCs on Facebook Marketplace. The first one sold for $570 and the white build sold for $700. I had already sold more than 20 PCs before I started making videos. Now I want to show more of how these flips actually go. The first PC was the Intel Core i5-9600K and GTX 1070 build. It had a Gigabyte Z390 AORUS Pro motherboard, 16 GB of DDR4 memory, a 512 GB KingSpec NVMe drive, a 650 watt power supply, an iBUYPOWER case, and an ID cooling air cooler. I had that one listed around the $550 to $600 range. It ended up selling for $570 because I delivered it fast. The parts cost for that build was $261, so the profit on that PC came out to $309. The second one was the white build with the Ryzen 7 1800X and the ASUS ROG Strix GTX 1080. That one also had 32 GB of DDR4 memory, a 512 GB NVMe drive, the white ID cooling cooler, a 750 watt RGB power supply, a white tempered glass case, a RGB fans with a controller, Windows 11 Pro and Wi-Fi. That build was listed for $700 and it sold for the full $700. The parts cost for that build was $337.78, so the profit on that PC came out to $362.22. I sold both of them through Facebook Marketplace. That is where I usually get the most attention for builds like these. The first PC sold for $570, while the white one sold for $700. So together, both builds made $671.22. The white build had stronger visual appeal right away, and I think that helped justify the higher price. I think the biggest thing I learned is that flipping PCs is not just about the parts. The overall look matters. The photos matter, the pricing matters, and the way the build is presented matters too. When a PC looks clean and feels ready to use, that makes a big difference. Now that both of these are sold, it is time for the next builds. And with each one, I am learning more about what buyers actually want. So there are definitely more flips coming. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like and subscribe for more PC builds and flips, and I will see you in the next one.